How to troubleshoot streaming issues on Macs. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing streaming issues on your Macs, firstly, drop down your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a better network or cellular data, or you can enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, launch your Macs account once again, then check if the issue still persists or not. In that case, what you can do is tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. From here, tap on all apps option. Tap on the search icon to search for Macs. In here, firstly, force stop the application, head to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. What you can do next is, you can launch a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search bar, then search for Macs. In here, if you find any of the update button, ensure that to leave your application for an update. If not, the last resort would be to uninstall your application and reinstall it later. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.